What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video. As you can see today, we are in the bathroom, so you already know what type of video this is going to be. It's another grooming video for y'all that's been waiting, man. Thank you guys for staying subscribed. And if this is your first video that you guys are seeing from me, make sure you check my channel because I got a whole playlist full of tips, tricks, and giving y'all that confidence when it comes to lining up your beard, the supplies and stuff like that you need to put in your beard, how to shave your head, and how to avoid razor bumps and different stuff like that. So I actually meant to make this video when I was on vacation in Atlanta, but I was out there just enjoying my time. I'm actually gonna throw a couple vlogs up and videos about my trip and stuff like that. Just give me some time to edit it because I got orders and a whole bunch of stuff to finish. But anyways, this is the razor that I've been using almost the most for these past couple months now. This one right here, if you guys are interested in seeing this and a couple things I had to say about this, hit the card that pops up. So now I picked up something else that's low-key comparable right here. This right here is the Equate, the Ultimate 5-blade. Now, if you guys are not able to get your hands on this, I do have another one it's the exact same, it's just rebranded with a different name. The link for this is gonna be in the description. I've never used it before. As you guys know, I like to test out things for the very first time on camera. So you guys are gonna see my very first reaction. This package right here, because I'm sure they have multiple different variations of it. This one though comes with one handle and two cartridges. One's already on the handle, as you guys can see right there, and then there's another one right over here in the corner. The reason I decided to pick this up though is because I think these blades are kind of the same. They might even be interchangeable, if you guys can see right there. To me, you know, I could be wrong, I'm not 100% sure, but these blades look the same, kind of. So we're gonna test this out. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. You guys see they have a little thing supposed to insert it right here, make it easy to open it up. We'll go ahead and pop this out here. And the first thing I'm going to check to see is if I'm right about this interchangeable cartridge to work with another razor. If it doesn't work, that's A-okay, because it is a different brand, but I'm going to test that out for y'all. So we'll go ahead and pop the razor out. Cool thing about this one is even the replacement cartridge does also have a little container cap or whatever cover on it. So that's going to help there a little bit. Now, first things first, this handle and this razor is amazing. Now, I thought I liked this one, and I do like this one because, where's my other one at? You guys seen when I did a review on this other one right here too. This one looked cool. It looks like it feels cool, but once you actually start getting water and stuff like that on it, it just did not work. And it's very easy for the thing to pop off when I was shaving and stuff like that. So this one didn't get no love at all. So if you guys want to see the video I made on this as well, I actually did some cool stuff with this, but then I actually, you know, gave it a thumbs down as well when it comes to just the comfort in shaving. But just holding these side by side in my hands, this one is definitely thicker right here. So this is the Schick Hydro 5, and this right here is the Equate Ultimate 5-blade razor right here. So again, the handle is definitely bulkier. Really loving that. Smooth at the bottom, extra grip all over the place. It does have a rotating head, as you guys can see right here. Unlike some of my other razors though, that also have like a way that for them to rotate and flex, there's like a lock on it where you can keep it from actually rotating and flexing. This one, I don't think there's an option to turn that off. I don't know. Let's see, is there? Nope, there's a way to pop the handle off though. So I'm glad I did that. So now let's see how easy it is to put this back on. There we go. All right, so I got it to clip at the end. All right, so not only does this thing flex left and right, it also flexes up and down, back and forth. So with that being said, I don't know if it's going to be able to be an interchangeable blade on these. And the reason, again, why I show you guys this type of stuff is because sometimes you guys might be able to find certain blades and stuff like that on sale, but they might not be compatible with your razor. So again, I just took the razor that came and fit for the Schick Hydro 5, and we're going to see if I can get this to fit onto this one. One side fits in, but can I get the other side? All right, so I think the answer is gonna be no on that for now. But anyways, enough of showing you guys just a little quick overview of what the blade and stuff looks like and what it feels like. Now it's time to see what it shaves like. Let's go ahead and get out some type of cream. Let's see. I'm gonna use the last of my little other cream that I got here. We're just gonna get some hot water. All right, so once you get the towel, throw some moisture on your hair. make it easier to shave these hairs and stuff like that, we're gonna get to it. Another reason as well why I try to let the hair grow for a little while before I ever do a test on the razor is because, you know, I want to see if the razor can actually handle what we're gonna throw at it. Me, normally I would usually shave like every day or every 2 days or whatever, or sometimes I might even throw a hat or a do-rag on if I really just don't feel like shaving. So that's actually what I've been doing the last couple of days to let it grow as much as it possibly wants to grow. And we're gonna see if this razor can actually cut through it without having to do, you know, multiple passes and stuff like that. Now, by default, you guys know or may know that I already do 2 passes by default, no matter what razor I'm using. So it's guaranteed gonna be at least 2, but how many strokes are we gonna have to do in the same spot before it actually cuts the hair? Hopefully not too many. So again, we're just throwing some shaving cream on our head. Lather it up real quick. Now let's get to it. Taking the cap off. Looks like it's got either a lubricating strip or just a thing to grip the hair to kind of make the hair stand up, as well as of course the 5 blades. Again, rotates back and forth and side to side, and this razor does not appear to have a way to lock that. But let's go ahead and get started. Of course, we like to start on the sides here. All right, it's cutting through so far, no problem. All right, it's definitely comfortable in the hands thus far. It is taking a few passes to get the hair out. Let's see, rinsed it under the water a couple seconds, knock the hairs loose, all right. So it's not easily clogged. That's another good sign there. It's not slipping all out of my hands. And I don't think that is a moisturizing strip. So whereas the other one, I'm not gonna do too much comparing, but you guys know or may know, some of my other razors actually have like a moisturizing strip. So when it contacts the water in the head, it actually gives you some extra lubrication. This one does not appear to have any extra lubrication outside of what I put on my head. So yes, it looks like the top and the bottom layer of this razor are just to help you, like, you know, stand the hairs up. That's what it appears to be. So I don't think anything is coming out of them. But it definitely is rinsing out real smooth as I am rinsing it under the water. So we'll take it to the line here. Now we'll go to the back where the hair is of course going to be as thick as it can get with the you know, thinning hair that we have here. Let me try to throw the necklace back a little bit so I can get all the way back here. All right, so it's not really chopping through the hairs very easy, but again, I just wanted to see if it can get through a lot of hair. We'll really be able to tell when we do that second pass here. So once it gets clogged a little bit, the hair comes out pretty good, pretty easy. And we gotta hit it again and it keeps going. All right, first pass complete. Another nice rinse out, as you guys can see right there. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more shaving cream. And the second pass should be as smooth as butter. Since we have now knocked the bulk of the hairs down, there's no irritation, but we'll really be able to tell that after we're done shaving and stuff, right? And give it a couple hours or a day or so even. When the hairs start coming back, we'll see if it's irritating the skin at all. It's definitely cutting some more. I can still hear it. I don't know how good the microphone is on this. You guys like the new angle of these videos? I'm using a whole different camera. If you guys want to see the camera I'm using, go ahead and click the link in the description. I might as well throw that in there too. And when you guys see these vlogs, when I took a trip to Atlanta, recorded all that footage on this camera as well. So hopefully y'all like it. And I think I just cut myself. I don't see any blood, but it does feel like it just slid across the top of my head. There it is right there. So the blood definitely came. So it did get pretty slick right here. I don't know if that would be the fault of the razor or not. I'm not really going to give it its full judgment on the first one. Of course, we are gonna, say what we gotta say about it, but I never just stop using the razor after the very first time, even if I don't like it. So we'll know if I like this razor or not, if I go back to it, or we'll see if I'm just gonna get some more replacement blades for my go-to razor that I've been using. I probably don't even have to fade the beard in again because it looks like the razor didn't create a hard line right here where I faded into the bald head, which is good. But as far as the results of the shave, the head is feeling smooth. Let me know what y'all think. So now that we got our head freshly shaved, we're gonna go ahead and add some of this witch hazel on here. I'm almost out, by the way, but man, the stores are still kind of sold out of a lot of stuff, so we're gonna try to make it last. Feeling a slight sting, but I know my head is getting clean. And man, my head is feeling amazing right now. No joke, man. This is one of the things I tell you guys about razors, because the blade on the razor that I was using before, I knew it was getting dull, but I was just trying to keep it going and not really try to buy another cartridge until last minute. But using a brand new fresh razor, this is a different one, but I can definitely tell, man, the freshness and the cleanness of this shave right here. And you guys can see, you might be able to see a little bit too. I lined up my beard earlier, and usually you want to shave your head and then line up your beard and do a fade. But it looks like the fade is actually still lasting from the last one that I did. So that razor didn't even actually put like a hard line on my beard or nothing like that. So it blends right in. It's feeling real good. It's not moisturized though, it's clean. But now we need to add some type of moisturizer. Go ahead and go back to this. This is some Scotch Porter. It's face lotion, but the head is a part of the face anyway. So this stuff right here, if you guys have never seen it before, it is like a black color, but once you actually rub it on, it goes on clear. And this is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about. Speaking of Scotch Porter too, by the way, use the link in the description. I think they have a sale going on right now. It's like buy one, get one free, but you do have to add 2 items to your cart, and they're gonna discount one of those items. It has to be the same item though, by the way. So just letting y'all know, because I know I haven't done any type of Scotch Porter promotions in a very long time. However, their products are still on the website if you guys want to take a look. NeverDenyMe.com/grooming. And this has been our very first test right here with the Equate, the ultimate 5-blade razor right here. My opinion thus far is I do like it. I'm definitely going to be giving it another shot in another video just to make sure that it really is going to do what it needs to do. The grip, the handle, the blade, everything, except I wish it did have some type of moisturizing strips here, but that's okay. Every razor can't have, every single feature that other razors have. It can't be all combined into one, or maybe it can. Maybe there's another model for this. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Thumbs up the video if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you check the playlist because I got plenty more tips, tricks, and confidence for y'all. Peace.